Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If 2a plus b equals to 4 and ab is equal to negative 3, what is the value of absolute value of 2a negative b? Okay, to solve this problem, let me consider the algebraic identity, that is a negative b the whole square equals to a positive b the whole square negative 4ab. Okay, this is an identity we have in algebra. I am going to use this identity to solve this problem. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider 2a at the place of a and b at the place of b, because here we have 2a plus b. Okay, so when I plug in 2a for a and b for b over here in this identity, then I'm getting 2a negative b the whole square equals to, on the right side also we have to plug in 2a for a and b for b, then I'm getting 2a positive b the whole square negative 4 times 2a times b. Okay, 2a negative b the whole square equals to 2a positive b the whole square negative 4 times 2 is 8, that is 8 times ab. Okay, 2a negative b the whole square equals to, for this 2a positive b we have value that is 4, and for this ab we have the value that is negative 3. So we can plug in 4 for this 2a positive b and this negative 3 for a times b over here. Then I'm getting 4 square negative 8 times negative 3. And I'm getting 2a negative b the whole square equals to, the value of 4 square is 16, and negative times 90 will become positive. 8 times is 24. Okay, then we get 2a negative b the whole square equals to 16 positive 24 is 40. Okay, our aim is to get the value of absolute value of 2a negative b. So in this equation, we can solve for 2a negative b. For that, we have to get rid of this exponent 2. So what do we have to do to get rid of this exponent 2? We have to take square root on both sides of the equation. Okay, when I take square root on both sides of the equation, the square root over here and the square over here will cancel out. Whenever we take square root on both sides of an equation, for the square root which contains number inside over here, we have to consider positive or negative sign. Okay, now we get 2a negative b on the left side. On the right side, we get a positive or negative. And this square root of 40 can be written as 2 times 10. That is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, here 2a negative b equals to positive or negative. For every two same numbers multiplied inside the square root, one number will come out. Then for these two 2's, 1 2 can be taken out of the square root, and still we have 10 inside the square root. Okay, here I got the value of 2a negative b, but here we get two values for 2a negative b. That is a positive 2 times square root of 10 and negative 2 times square root of 10. So we can split up this one into two parts. That is 2a negative b equals to, the first part we can consider the positive sign over here, then we get 2 times square root of 10 on the right side. Okay, the second part we can consider the negative sign we have over here, then we have 2a negative b equals to negative 2 times square root of 10. Okay, here I got the value of 2a negative b, but our aim is to get the value of absolute value of 2a negative b. So now what we can do is we can take absolute sign on both sides of this equation and this equation. Okay, now let me do it in the first equation over here, that is absolute value of 2a negative b equals to absolute value of 2 times square root of 10. We know that always absolute value is equal to a positive value. So absolute value of 2 times square root of 10 is the positive 2 times square root of 10. Okay, now let me do over here in the second equation, that is let me take absolute sign on both sides of this equation. Then we have absolute value of negative 2 times square root of 10 on the right side. Okay, so we know that the absolute value of any negative number is always positive number. So the absolute value of this negative number is a positive number, that is 2 times square root of 10. Okay, in both these equations, I am getting the same value for this absolute value of 2a negative b, that is 2 times square root of 10. So the value of this expression is 2 times square root of 10, and we find 2 times square root of 10 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.